NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is the U.S. government agency responsible for exploring and studying space. NASA was created in 1958, after the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, into orbit. This sparked a space race between the two superpowers, and President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act to establish a civilian space agency. NASA's first major achievement was Project Mercury, which sent the first American astronaut, Shepard, into space in 1961. NASA then launched Project Gemini, which tested the skills and technologies needed for lunar missions. In 1969, NASA's Apollo program achieved the historic feat of landing humans on the Moon with Apollo 11. NASA continued to send astronauts to the Moon until 1972, when Apollo 17 became the last manned lunar mission. NASA also developed several robotic space missions to explore the solar system and beyond. Some of the most successful and famous ones include Voyager 1 and 2, which are still sending back data from interstellar space, Viking 1 and 2, which landed on Mars in 1976, Cassini-Huygens, which orbited Saturn and its moons for 13 years, and Curiosity, which is still roving on Mars since 2012. However, not all of NASA's missions were successful. Some of them failed due to technical problems, human errors, or unforeseen circumstances. Some of the most notable failures include Ranger probes, which were designed to crash land on the Moon and send back images. But most of them missed their target or malfunctioned. Mariner probes, which were sent to study Venus, Mars, and Mercury, but some of them failed to launch or communicate, and Challenger and Columbia space shuttles, which exploded during launch or re-entry, killing all crew members on board. Despite these setbacks, NASA continues to pursue its vision of expanding human knowledge and presence in space. Some of its current and future missions include Artemis, which aims to return humans to the Moon by 2024. Perseverance, which is searching for signs of ancient life on Mars, James Webb Space Telescope, which will observe the most distant and ancient objects in the universe, and Dragonfly, which will fly a drone like rotorcraft on Saturn's moon Titan.